Ka-researcher, gusto mo ba ng actual sample ng respondents and sampling method part ng research paper? Then, watch this video. Hi ka-schoolers! Hello ka-researchers! Welcome back to our channel, Ana PH. So, may mga nare-receive tayong messages at may mga nababasa tayong comments requesting for actual samples of certain parts of research paper. Now, tantamount to how you feel, I understand that writing your own research paper will be easier if you can see actual sample of it. Ganyan din po kasi ako, no? Especially nung nagsisimula pa lang ako sa research writing. So, I used to look for actual samples, mga halimbawa ng mga naisulat na researches. Kasi ginagamit ko sila as guide sa pagbuo naman ng sarili ko ng research paper. So, ka-researchers, request granted kayo ngayon kay Ma'am Ana. Because in this content video, I will show you two actual samples of the respondents and sampling method part of research paper. Now, let's start. So, of course, let's take the big words in this term. So, first is the respondents, participants. So, remember, ka-schoolers, ka-researchers, when we say respondents or participants, these refer to individuals or groups of people that serve as the source of information during our data collection. Ka-schoolers, to give you a guide on the specific definition of the terms respondents, participants, I want you to watch this video. Yes, this one. So this video will not only provide you with the specific meaning of the terms, but this will also explain you the difference between respondents and participants, as well as how you are going to use these terms correctly in your paper. Now let's have the next term, sampling method. So sampling method is a technique that a researcher used in selecting a sample that is a representative of a group as a whole. So in Filipino, kapag sinabing sampling method, ito ay ang pamamaraang ginagamit upang mapili ang sample o mga individual o grupo ng tao na nagsisilbing representative ng populasyon at nagsisilbing kalahok sa pag-aaral. Furthermore, let us remember that there are two types of sampling method, the probability sampling and the non-probability sampling. Now, para naman magkaroon ka ng mas detalyadong paliwanag o kaalaman tungkol sa sampling methods, punta ka lang sa ating channel na Ana PH. So, meron na tayong mga videos ng bawat sampling method o sampling technique na yan, na sigurado ako makakatulong sa iyo para makuha mo yung akmang pamamaraan sa pagpili ng iyong mga respondents o participants ng iyong study. At ngayon, punta na tayo dun sa actual sample ng respondents and sampling method part ng ating research paper. As I said, I will provide you with two samples of it. Eto na. Respondents and sampling method. Purposive sampling will be used in this study. The respondents of the study will be the select 10 grade 12 PUM students of Ana PH Senior High School enrolled for the academic year 2021-2022. The student respondents will purposely be chosen because the researcher believes that through purposive sampling, she can obtain a representative sample by using a sound judgment, which can also result in saving time and finances. Black K 2010. In addition, the Hume strand has more English subjects that require reading. Hence, the learners in this section need to possess the necessary reading skills they are expected to have, such as fluency and reading comprehension. I would like to note that this part should contain the sampling technique you will use, specify also the reason of using the said technique, mention the criteria you set if it applies, and of course, it should contain who your respondents will be. How many are they? Where are they coming from? And then if needed, mention the reason or purpose of selecting them. In my case, it is always my style to include a table containing this information about the participants of my study. Who are they? The frequency, percentage, and population. However, hindi naman po ito required. But personally, I usually include table like this. Ngayon, paano naman kung wala ka nang gagamitin na sampling method kasi 100% na ng participants or respondents mo ay kasali o kalahok dyan sa study mo? So, in this situation, ito yung ating sample para dyan. Respondents and sampling method. The primary respondents of this research study will be the teachers of Ana PH Elementary School, Schools Division of Bukidnon for the academic year 2021-2022. 100% or 20 out of 20 teachers will be asked to participate to this research study. Therefore, sampling technique will no longer be applied. In addition, the teacher respondents will serve as the main sources of information and with whom the data on the level of awareness on DepEd's financial education policy will be collected from. Now, ka-researcher, I would like to add this information about universal sampling. So here, when the total population is equal to or less than 100, this same number may serve as the sample size. So again, dito kapag ang total population is equal to or less than 100, so sila na no, yung pwedeng magsilbi as the sample size. So ibig sabihin, sila na yung bilang ng iyong respondents or participants. At ang tawag nga dito ay universal sampling. Ayan, ka-schoolers, ka-researchers, hindi naman mahirap, di ba? So, ganyan lang naman yung paggawa nitong part na ito ng ating research paper. So, maliit na bahagi lang siya, maigsi lang siya, pero mahalaga na magawa natin siya ng tama. Ka-schoolers, ka-researchers, so standby lang kayo lagi no, dito sa ating channel because we will do more videos about research. We will upload more videos containing the actual parts of the research paper. Gusto niyo ba yon? Okay, but of course, no, for you to be notified and be updated sa bawat video na ina-upload natin sa ating channel, do not forget to subscribe at hit nyo na rin yung notification bell. Okay? So, there you have it. Thank you for being with me. See you in our next video. Bye!